pretty ruched scarf, frilly scarf, you need some nice floaty fine material and some elasticated lace, nice stretchy lace. So what you do is you cut your lace to the length you want your scarf, and you cut your cloth probably about twice as long and to whatever width you like. And here we go. You will actually need 2 lengths of lace. The lace is going to be sewn down the length of the scarf from top to bottom, so you'll need to divide your scarf into 3, and you need to place your lace at the dividing point. Now this is where dotty fabric comes in handy, because you can make sure you're sewing in straight lines, and what you do is you pull and stretch the lace, but don't stretch the fabric, and sew it in place. Easy peasy. Make sure it goes down in a straight line. Stretch the lace, pull it as tight as it'll go. Don't stretch the fabric, and then sew it. And what you get is this nice ruched effect. Gathered, it'll gather it up. So yeah, when the lace goes back from its stretched position back to normal, the fabric will gather underneath it. See how fine that cloth is? You can see right through the tiles to it. There's the first line done, and you just need to do another piece of lace down the other third. There now, isn't that beautiful? Now if I lived in a sunny country, I could waft that round in the sun and make it look gorgeous, but it's England and it's winter, so I can't. It's rather nice. You could hem it if you feel inclined, but it's a long job. I don't feel inclined, I don't quite see the point. It doesn't fray, this cloth that I've got, and it's lovely as it is.